Hi guys, you're welcome back. The news I have for you today says fans slam Obi and Ebi for looking so aged as they step out in matching outfits. Fans of Ultimate Love Season 1 has taken to their respective social media accounts and slammed Obi and Ebi for looking so aged in photos they shared recently. The ex-housemate of the Love show, while trying to reach out to their supporters on Instagram, dropped amazing news photo dressed in matching outfits. What Obi and Ebi is celebrating wasn't disclosed to their viewers, but they were seen wearing a beautiful purple tie-and-dye material with glorious smiles on their faces. Sharing the new photos, Obi and Ebi showered themselves with lots of pet names like My Hot Choco, My Dopest, and My Fine G. Their appearance on the photos made fans of Ultimate Love to describe them as aged couple. Honestly, Obi and Ebi are still very young, but their body sizes might contribute to what made trolls refer to them as aged couple. Recall that Obi and Ebi were paired at the Ultimate Love Show Season 1 as couples to search for their ultimate love. They were regarded as the most childish couple because of their children character and attitude, which they always perceived as love. In the Love show, both were seen living the life of isolation. It's very hard to see them mingle with other housemates or participate in group games. Obi and Ebi made a whole lot of enemies at the show, but their fan base is superb. What do you think, guys? Kindly use the comment box and wish them well. Alright guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.